All right, let's look at this following inequality question, but as it turns out, this is actually a equality question. All right, so we have this inequality. It says that the what value of x will produce equality. All right, so what they mean is they ask you to ditch this inequality and then turn it into equality, and what will be the solution. All right, so let's do this. All right, so remember that we don't like fractions, so we're going to try to get rid of it. All right, so let's try to get rid of this 4 on the left-hand side. So we're going to multiply everyone by 4. So I'm going to multiply the whole left-hand side by 4, and then whole right-hand side by 4. Right? Then what we get is I'm gonna go down here, right? So here, 4's canceled out here, but remember to, so since we distribute to this fractional expression, we can get rid of 4, but we still have to distribute 4 to 5. So we will get, so you have a negative 10 plus x from here. And then 4 times 5 is actually 20. All right. Then this is equal to, right? So this is not going to look very good. So the denominator is still 3. And then we multiply the numerator. So I would have to distribute to 4 to 7x. So 4 times 7x is 28x. And then minus, right? 4 times 5 would be 20. Right? So if you want, you can combine, combine negative 10 and positive 20. So we can, I'm going to probably go over here. So we still have x. By combining negative 10 and the positive 20 will be positive 10. And then right-hand side is still the same. So you have 28x minus 20 over 3. Right now, again, we have a 3 on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equality by 3. Right? So multiply by 3. Right? So that way I can cancel 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. Right? So by distributing 3 to x, we can get 3x. Right? And then distribute 3 to 10, we'll get 30. And then we have 28x minus 20. Right? All right, then I'm going to collect the x to the left. You can actually collect it to the right-hand side too, which I would usually do, but I'm going to try to keep the x on the left-hand side. So let's try to move 28x over to the left-hand side, right? So we can do that by subtracting 28x, right? So 3x minus 28x would be a negative 25x. And then we still have 30. And then 28x minus 28x cancel out. So you still have negative 20. All right. Then we collect all the constant terms. So I'm going to shove this 30 over to the right-hand side. So I'm going to subtract 30. So we have negative 25x is equal to, right? So negative 20 minus 30 would be negative 50. All right, then we need to get rid of this. We need to isolate x, so we need to get rid of negative 25 in front of x. So we can get rid of that by simply dividing through by negative 25. Right? So that's going to give you just x isolated all by itself. And the negative 50 divide by negative 25. Right? All right, negative, negative, and cancel out. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 is going to be a positive 1. And then you can see that 50 divided by 25 is 2. So x is going to be equal to positive 2. Right? So x is equal to positive 2. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.